You are a natural born healer, and in this video, I'm giving you 5 pretty compelling reasons why it's worth exploring this part of you and awakening the healer within. Not that you need to make healing a career or that you even need to tell anybody about this part of you, but these are 5 reasons I truly believe is worth exploring this essential part of who you are. Aloha, my name's David. I'm a co-founder of Lemurian Healing along with my wife Mamiko, and we've been teaching people how to heal for the last 17 years. I first discovered I was a healer in 1997. I attended a weekend workshop on healing that was being presented by nurses at a local hospital, and I can't remember exactly why I was so inspired to go, but from the first day, when I discovered that I could sense invisible energy with these hands, I was hooked. And ever since then, I've been following the path of the healer, and I've been nurturing the healer within me because it has affected every single area of my life. All of my relationships, including my marriage, my career, my finances, how I see the world, how I interact with information, and how I interact with the non-physical realms. I mean, it has literally affected every single area of my life. And I cannot imagine what my life would be like if I had not awakened the healer within and pursued that path. So in this video, as I said, I'm sharing 5 reasons why I believe it's important for you to at least explore this essential part of who you are. And when I get to number 5, I'm going to share something about you that I'm pretty sure you've never heard before. Okay, reason number 1 to explore the healer within, you learn so much about yourself. You'll discover skills and abilities you didn't know you had. As I mentioned, I learned that I could sense energy, not with my hands. The further I got into this journey, I realized that I could use all 6 of my senses to perceive and receive information about myself and the world around me. And when I learned how to do distance healing, and that I could actually send energy to someone on the other side of the world and they could feel it and it benefited them, I never would have dreamed that that would be a skill that I had within me. So when you pursue this path, you're going to learn so much about yourself. Reason number 2, you acquire some pretty valuable life skills. Once you learn how to heal yourself, once you learn how to help other people to heal, it boosts your confidence, it boosts your awareness and your ability to be in service to others. These are skills that once you learn them, you will use time and time again throughout your life. Even if you never choose to pursue healing as a profession, these just become simple life skills that affect every area of your life. But that's just the beginning. These next 3 reasons go deeper. Number 3, you awaken and develop your psychic abilities. This was something that I never expected. But as I pursued the path of awakening the healer within, I naturally started awakening psychic abilities. Learning about healing was a gateway for me to explore this and awaken to this entire non-physical world of energy and information. And I've seen this time and time again with students as they learn to do healing and work with energy, they become so psychic and so aware and intuitive. And this is one of the reasons I love teaching healing so much, is that I see people awaken to these, entire sides of themselves that they never knew existed. And this brings me to reason number 4. You discover that you have wisdom within you and access to wisdom that you didn't know you had before. And mainly I'm talking about accessing the non-physical realms of your higher self, your spirit guides, your angels, goddesses, ascended masters. There's no limit to the kind or number of wise, eternal beings of light that you gain access to once you start opening up your psychic abilities. And this is probably one of the biggest benefits that I've seen in my own life of awakening and becoming a healer, is that I now know that I'm never alone. I have this entourage of non-physical beings who are with me and available 24 hours a day. And reason number 5 why I think it's really worth exploring your innate healing abilities and awakening the healer within is that you accelerate your spiritual growth. Every time I've seen someone take a step down this path, their evolution, their personal growth has accelerated. I've seen this in my own life. My wife's seen it in hers, and I've seen it in so many students' lives over the years. Once you take a step down this path, everything starts to change rapidly as you discover more about yourself, as you awaken new abilities and new awarenesses come online. It truly is a process of transformation. You start becoming more of who you truly are and who you came to be here in this lifetime. And you learn so much more about yourself and about the world around you, including, and I'm going to fulfill my promise here, you can learn some pretty spectacular things about yourself that you never knew existed. For example, each time you plan a human lifetime, you bring with you a unique set of colors for various purposes. And two of those colors are your healing color and your traveling color. And when Mamiko and I teach people how to do healing, when we teach Lemurian healing, we guide people to discover their unique colors. So once they discover their healing color, which is a unique frequency that only they possess, nobody else has it, it's like fingerprints, they can start using this in their healing. The traveling color is pretty fascinating because you can use the traveling color to move your consciousness through time and space, but we teach people how to use it to do long distance healing so that they can connect with people around the world and successfully send healing energy. So these are the kind of things that are waiting for you. There are so many wonderful things waiting for you if you have the courage to take a step and at least explore your innate healing abilities and start awakening the healer within you. If you're ready to take a next step, I've got a free online masterclass in healing coming up very soon. You can check the link down in the description and join me. It's a free online class, but this at least can give you a taste of what's waiting for you as you pursue the path of a healer. And if you've been trying to heal something in your own life that seems to be healing slowly or maybe not at all, you'll want to check out this video, which shares the top reasons why healing isn't happening. Aloha.